Hey everyone! A few days ago, we published a blog post introducing Snowcap, our open source tool for managing Snowflake infrastructure as code. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll drop the link below. Today, I want to keep it short and practical. I'm going to install Snowcap on a Mac from scratch and use it to create a warehouse in Snowflake. I am following the official Getting Started guide at snowcap.datacoves.com/getting-started. Snowcap requires Python 3.10 or higher, so the first thing we'll do is to verify that. On a Mac, the system Python is usually invoked as Python 3, not Python. Great! I'm on Python 3.14, which is above 3.10, so we're good to go. If you see anything below 3.10, install a newer Python first. Let's create a clean folder for this demo and set up a virtual environment so Snowcap stays isolated from anything else on this machine. Folder created, virtual environment created, and virtual environment activated, as you can see here the prefix on my prompt. Now we install Snowcap. It is on PyPy, so it is just one command. It's installed. Let's test it. It is showing the available comments, so we're good to go. Now the fun part. We're going to define a warehouse in YAML. I will open a new file. We save it. That's it. 4 lines. We're saying I want a warehouse called Analytics Demo, extra small size, that auto-suspends after 60 seconds of inactivity. No create warehouse statement. No clicking around in the UI. Just a declaration of what we want. Snowcap reads credentials from environment variables. The recommended pattern is a .env file. If you use Git, remember to add it to the git ignore file. Snowcap also supports keyword authentication and SSO using a browser. For this demo, I'm using password authentication to keep it simple, but for production, you would want key pair or SSO. The docs cover all the options. Now, let's load this into our session. Before we change anything, we run plan. This is the dry run. Snowcap connects to Snowflake, compares our config to reality, and tells us exactly what it would do. You can see Snowcap connected to Snowflake and query the current state of the account. What warehouses exist, what roles, what grants, and now there is a plan. One to create. It's telling us exactly what it will create. A warehouse called Analytics Demo, owned by sysadmin, size extra small. Nothing else will be touched. This is the part I like. You always know what's going to happen before it happens. The plan looks good. Let's apply it. And there we go. Applied, one created. The warehouse was created. Let's switch over to Snowflake UI and confirm. There it is. Analytics Demo, extra small. Exactly what we declared in the 4 lines of the YAML. So that's the short version. Install Snowcap, declare a warehouse in YAML, run plan, run apply, done. Of course, this is the absolute basics. Snowcap supports the full surface area of Snowflake, databases, schemas, roles, grants, masking policies, stages, pipes, and more. In the next videos in this series, we'll go deeper. If you want to dig in now, Links to the docs and the GitHub repo are below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.